Backyard Story.
Nagtambak naman ang inano sa'yo. Kala ko stone.
Hirapan nata akong hakutin to.
So, ayun, kasama namin si Dexa. Hi!
Ito naman sa kanya nga, naglagay din siya.
Saan?
Ano sa rest? Binili naman niya yung kanya eh.
Ah, parang gravel yung kanya.
Mababa yung kanya eh, no? Mababa masyado eh, no? Mababa siya dyan eh.
Ng ano?
Yan no, mababa dito, di ba?
Yeah.
Open.
Okay, open it.
Open, bababa dito yun.
Kaya nga.
Ito, meron na rin siya.
Oh yes, nagpagawa na din siya. Parang ganda
Pad
ng...
lang kanya, walang
Pad.
gilid. Ayun, naglagyan niya rin, nagpasimento rin siya.
Pinasimento niya.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Malapit na. So, ito siya sa likod. So, ito, okay na din. So, yan. Tapos na din. 8 PM na, pero ayan, temperature sa labas at ang ganda ng panahon. Ang araw pa. Yan si Dexa, guys. Tamad-tamad lang, di pa yan naligo. Anong oras na? 8 PM na ng gabi, ayan. Dito sa labas, kita ang aming garage. Ayan, tapos na. Ayan, konti na lang daw. May kukunting gagawin na lang sila. Ayan si Dexa, oh. Di pa naligo. Ang dumi pa niya. Dugyot pa. Ito ng sikat ng araw. It's July 1. And it's holiday. Pero yun nga, may pasok sa husband. Kaya, stay at home. Ayan siya. So, unti-unti na din natapos to. Bah, yung pagganong-ganong pa siya. No? Mukhang magpapa-picnic siya dun ah. Madilim nga lang din yung nakita. So, mag-iihaw siya ng bangus. Yan ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Philippine milk fish. Brunch na to. See, it's already 11. Tulog pa yung mga kids. Ito, magluluto ako mamaya ng kanilang white sauce carbonara. Ground beef, bacon. Ganda ng sikat ng araw. Ano yan, Dexa? Winter ba? Biglang naging winter. Yung anak mong na-miss niya ang snow? Kasi nga malamig pala. Ayan ang daddy namin sinipag, oh. Oh, ang ganda niyang tingnan din. Nice. Ayan si daddy. Wow, malinis na ang garahe ni daddy. Ayun siya, oh. Ayun, oh, sipag. Sipag-sipagan.
Hi, and that's right on the bottom.
Yeah,
Look at it.
and then there's a baby here at the bottom. Okay, let's see. Wow, that one. So, dalawa to. Isang doon. Ay, pinagsabay mo naman. Ayan, yung isa kasi doon. Ayan. So, double siya. Yan. Then, ito, meron din siyang sarili. Parang hindi mo pa tinanggal yung sticker niyan, eh, no? May sticker yan, eh. Kaya parang, ano siya. Madumi siyang tingnan. Ayan. Diba? So, ito na lang ang ano, isipin namin kung anong gagawin. Gastos pa, gastos.
Hi, I'm the one that did Todd Poison. That's how. That don't have a house.
Yeah, that's your house.
Yeah. Hey, that is for that.
Yan. So, hindi pa kasi tapos tong yard. So, talagang si Dexa ay nagmamadali na sa kanyang summer. Bagay, tama naman siya. Ano nang naman ang summer dito maiksi. Pinilan namin siya ng ng underwater oasis sprayer pool.
Mama, mag-solo tayo later.
Yes. Ay, ayoko, pagka madumi na. So, dito na lang muna namin nilagay sa garage. Pababa natin kay daddy mo yung kasi baka mabasa. Or else kung hindi na mabasa, okay lang. Baka kalawangin yung may mga stock kaming upuan dito. Pero para sa basement. Yan Kaysa naman maghintay pa kami ng other months kasi September may malamig na din. So yan, try namin na pagbigyan si Dexa. Dito na lang sa garage. Yung may patapos tong garage din. Yan. So yan, man-box na ni daddy. So solid daw ni daddy yan pagkatapos ni Dexa. Yan. So best way. Yan. Yan siya. H2O Go. Na underwater oasis spray pool. Oh, don't worry, Dexa, can you help Mama with the door? You can see, big girl na ading mo. Hindi naman. So, ayan. Unbox ni Daddy to.
And it may not look like it, but I am
Ano ba ito si Inflate mo na lang hangin si?
mouth to mouth.
Mouth to mouth.
Careful, baby! Careful with your hand. Ayan si
With your
Dexa.
mouth, Dad.
Oh my God.
Uy! Inakyat pa niya ulit. Careful with your hand. My God.
Look at this. This green and yellow. You're already wearing your swimsuit, Rain? Yeah. Your parents allow you? Yes.
Did you ask?
Yes.
Yes.
My mom said no, but my mom said finally yes. That's how
Papump nila.
Wow.
This one is big. Ate, can you help me na? Nandun lang sa nakababa lang. Yeah, you want? Okay, here. Okay, 2 minutes. Whoa.
Oh, there's a dolphin!
Walang isa dito, no? Gilid lang yan, no?
Gilid siya lang.
Tubig na, no?
Tubig na. Sorry. Tubig na yan, Dad. Sorry for the messy bed. Lalim nga eh. It's almost done. Woo! Hey, Dexa. Hi, Rain. Whoa. This can jump pretty high. Wait, I didn't do this. Wait, can you try that stuff? Is that funny? No. Dolphin. here too.
Nag-iintay ng mga kids. Excited sila. Hindi pa nga napap-excited ng mga bata. Saglit lang ang summer. Yan. Ay! Simple happiness ng mga kids. Ayan si Dexa, ang sarap ng ngiti niya. Hi, Dexa! So mainit ngayon dito sa amin. I think it's 8 p.m. na. So dito kami sa garage. Ayan.
Do you know where all the balloons are?
Yes. Dexy, yes! Oh, it's okay. Sit down lang. I think this one is cold. Yeah, this one is so cold. Okay, ito yung area namin. Ito. Maingay yung mga bata. So, sa hilera namin to, ito pa lang, kami pa lang ang nagpa-garage. So, wala pa silang mga garage. Hi guys! Oh, Juliana is there!
Scorching hot. The hot water is scorching.
Oh.
And then they're cold.
Enjoying the night before the concrete.
This day ang schedule ng concrete. So, ito, na-plan namin na ipa-concrete from the doorstep there dito up to here. So, si ano to, maputik. And then, malapit na ang winter. So, we decided na ipa-concrete na lang siya. Nagsasag pa nga to eh. Ayan, today gagawin nila yung concrete. So last night nagkaroon pa kami ng barbecue session here na family before they will do this. Nagprepare na sila, i-frame nila to. Yan, si husband nandun. Buti lang dito kami din, it's Sunday. So before our camping next week, matapos na muna nila to. Kasi before the winter comes, kailangan na naming pa-concrete to para hindi maputik at madulas din. Kasi kung hindi, gagawa pa kami dito ng daanan. So for now, ito munang gagawin. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila ginawa. Update lang po sa aming concrete here. So magpapa-concrete kami dito. So ganito ang layout nila sa bahay. So, ibang contractor na ang kinuha namin, hindi na Pilipino. So, yun. Ito yung front yard. So, ito, ano pa din, grass. So, iba kasi, pinapa-cement nila or iba ginagawang parang bato-bato. Nilagyan nila ng mga rocks. Pero kami, okay na kami dito. So, ito lang yung i-momo namin kapag summertime. So, ito, pinakoncrete na lang namin this year. So, ito. Mabuti lang yung kapitbahay namin, nung sinabi namin yung plan namin about this, nagustuhan din niya. So, sabi niya, papakoncrete na rin lang daw nila yung gilid din nila. So, maganda to kasi pareho kami. Kasi we will not put any, what you call this one? Fence here. So, open lang to para maganda, di ba? Maluwag tingnan. So, ito kung concrete siya, pwede pang lagayan ng mga, ng mga kids, a bike, gano'n. And then here, pareho kami. So, dito ata kami mag-umpisa ng fence. So, ayan ang papakoncrete namin. So, ito ang layout niya. Ganyo ata sila, nagpagawa na din sila. Pero parang lahat to sa kanila. Lahat to. Papakoncrete nila, pinadiretso na lang nila. Kami kasi hindi. Kami kasi ito. Gagawin ko siyang garden. I don't know kung anong gagawin na niya. So, yun. Kasi ang balak ko dito, ito yung garden ko. Garden, pwede ding lagyan namin ng anything, bulaklak, ganun, or gulay-gulay. Ewan ko kung ano mailagay ko dito. Pero yun, ito yung area ng garden ko. Tapos dun pinapeso ni husband yung kanyang ihawan. Walang bahay yung ihawan niya, kawawa. Okay, so ito yun. And then nag-iwan din dito nakatirang got para sa ganun din garden ko din kung anong maisip kong mailagay during summertime lang kasi 'di ba alam niyo dito pag winter hindi ka naman pwedeng magtanim. So yun, just getting this video before they will put the concrete. Ayan, ang ganda na din. So magkapit-bahay na kaming meron din concrete sa likod. Ayan. So, ito hagdanan nila is wood. Pero sa amin, I think papalagay ni husband is daw to, concrete din. Yan. So, yan ang storya ng aming backyard. Yan. So, yan siya. Okay, update namin kayo kung maganda yung kinalabasan niya. We're doing the concrete now here. So this one. It's good. Kasi deny recording nila, no? Kasi deny recording. Ang klase niya? Hindi, pa nila yun. Pipintin pa. The one they did like this. Yeah. They do like that. I think they will put some cement on that. Yeah, that one. They put like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's the last. Yes. So, ayun, ito lang ginagawa nila. Kasi wala silang, hindi na sila nag-rent ng anything. Kaya, direct origin.
भाई ये मार के जरूरी नहीं है मारी जाना बस बाद तो मार देना हाँ
the concrete is here.
Meron niyo ko la. Malo ako na meron. Ako na malo ako na.
So, ayan ang concrete dito sa pathway. Yan. Tinapos na nila. So, ganito yung ginawa nilang finish niya. So, yan. So, ito ko yan. So, ito sa gilid. Sabi, babalik daw sila kasi lilinisin din tong mga na ano nila. May mga na tapon. Some tilamsik. Yan. So, ito yung ginawa nila. Ayan. Ito. Ginawa nila. So, ito yung sa likod. Yan. So, ito yung ginawa nila. Excuse me. Ayan. Ginawa nila. So, gagawin din daw nila itong kapitbahay namin. Maybe tomorrow. Ayan. So, ito yung buhos na ginawa nila sa amin. So, ito yung kinalabasan ng concrete na pinagawa namin. So, yung pinakoncrete na lang namin kasi maputik yan pag snow time. Pag medyo nagsasubside na yung snow or natutunaw, I mean. Ayan, naputik dito. So, kailangan talagang concrete na siya. Ayan, tapos na yung concrete dito. Dito, magbitak. Pero okay naman ata eh. May nilagyan naman nila ng ganito. Fiber na daw to, yan sabi. Hindi na bakal, ewan ko. Yan na daw yung bago. Pagkasabi naman nung ano yun. Yan, unti-unti lang magagamit ang likod. So, ayan, ano nang gagawin natin today? Yung magtatanggal kami ng tubig. So, ito. Washer din ba yan? Oh.
Pressure washer.
Pressure washer pala daw siya. Pang sasakyan nga naman siya. Pero, pwede din siyang pang-sup-sup.
Kumbaga yan yung source ng water.
Okay. So, ito siya. So, ayan. Ito yung una mong binili. Saan mo binili to?
Home Depot.
Sa Home Depot din daw to. Ayan, pero
Wow, you have a nice place, guys.
nakakita siya ng ganito. So, mas gusto niya to. Sa Costco mo binili to, no?
Yep.
This one is from Costco. So, ito siya. Iganyan mo nga. Yan.
Huh?
Yeah, the water is dirty na, B.
We're gonna throw up the water.
Okay, yan. So, ito throw na namin yung water ng mga kids. Ginamit sa pool. Yan. So, let's try. So, ito, power play. Ang tatak niya is spider. Let's see kung maganda siya. I like tong ito. Ay, may nagpapagawa ata dyan sa likod, ah. Hi, Dexa! Hi, say hi! Hi to mama, say hi! Nagpabuhat pa kay daddy niya. Hala! Bakit nagkaguhat?
What's in your bag?
My cat. I put the cat toy in there, and my cat.
Nagpabuhat ka pa. So, yan ang source ng water mo. Okay, let's see. Giniginaw ako.
Lucas, arawan.
Oo nga. Kaya nga. Hindi, giniginaw ako yan. Nag-sweater ako eh. Sabi ko, ginaw. Ano ako sa... Bakit tinano mo yan? Ba't tinira mo pa yan?
Hindi ko alam kung magamit ko natin ito ba.
Dami naman ata dyan.
Ito. Ito yan. Lalagay mo dito. Ito.
Tapos yan ng ano niya.
Or, saan ko pa rin host?
Kasya ba? Parang maliit yung hose mo.
Sorry, I have to go road back to the house.
Okay.
Look, I see a
So,
book
ito.
right next to it.
Meron siyang parang ano no, parang gulong para siguro yan kung mahaba siya ganun. At least nakahatak-hatak mo. So yan lang naman, may sarili daw siyang hose. Yan. Let's see. Yan ang kanyang instruction.
How much? You know how much videos I make?
Yes.
I'll tell you.
You do your vlogging too?
Yep.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you see Dexa's video?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the safe thing of what I do.
Oh.
I do crazy ones.
You do crazy ones. Okay.
Yeah. But I do it by myself, not with my whole family because they don't know how to.
Oh my God, you're a vlogger, eh?
I can show you it.
Yeah, okay. One time we will watch that one together with Dexa.
I make some on my mom's phone. I have to show you on my mom's
Ano
phone.
yan? Eh, bakit yung iba naman madali?
Oh no, I have to make new ones.
Baka dito.
Dad, can you go into his house?
No, just stay here, Dexa. No, Ate is busy. She cannot go with you.
It's fine. It's fine if he comes in my house. I will watch after her. It's fine.
Yeah, but maybe Dexa will do something.
It's fine. I'll let her say. I'll say don't touch it. It's something glass.
Okay. Because Dexa
Dexa?
is still baby. So just
How's your
here.
school? You're grade 1
Here
already?
in the house.
You're grade 1 already?
Yan, ito, may mga ano kami, bisita. We have guests in the video. Say hi.
Wait, I'll come back. I'll just.
Okay.
It's her.
Okay. Cannot play there, Dexa, kasi ano na yan, linisin ni Daddy. Ayan na siya. Ang cute, oh, kasi pwede makatahatak. So, ayan siya. Meron siyang mga gulong. Apat. Ayan. Ganda din. Cute. Eto, may gulong din siya yung isa, kaso lang maliit lang.
Ganito siya eh.
Pahiga naman siya.
Dad,
Okay.
play bubbles?
Yeah!
Yeah, you can. Sug patatay nyo. Nag-burp.
Hello.
Hi!
Step on it? Can I step on it?
Yeah, but I think it's dirty or it's muddy. No? Maybe you can. Careful, just be careful.
It's still wet.
Yeah, it's still wet.
Let's jump here.
No, you can step down. Then just go, yeah. Ayan, so lagayan siguro yan ng mga kable. No? Spray gun holder. Oh, yun ang spray nyo. So, magkano din ang bili mo, Daddy, by the way?
Sale siya ng 140.
Oh, before?
200.
Oh, eto 200 din
Ito
pala.
128.
Okay.
Mas malakas naman to kasi ito 2,000 PSI. Ito 1.8 lang.
O, 1.8 lang to. And then, etong, ano na to, 2,000. 120 daw to. Ito is, nag-sale ng 140? 150. Pero 200 siya sa Costco. So, ito yung parang pinaka-spray gun niya, no? Yung pinaka-pressure, So, yun lang. Not much about this vlog. Pero ito lang is about unboxing this power play. Power washer for today's Dirt Warrior. Yan lang siya. Spider. Ang tatakata niya is spider. Yan. And then 200 PSI ang kaya niya. Ayan, may mga ano naman siya. Feature. High pressure foam. Oh, may foam. Ano ito? May foam cannon daw siya. Yun lang ang vlog namin today.
And
Yeah. And this is also a vlogger.
yes, there are 2 loggers here. There's 2 loggers here. 2 loggers here.
Vlogger. It's a vlogger.
I see. I told you I do this by myself.
Okay, that's nice. While Dexa is doing her bubbles.
Yeah, well, that's not fun.
Ito yung una, which is Roby. Tatak niya pero 180 is island daw. And check pressure.
Here is her garage.
Ayan. Para sa sabonata niya yan or something. So, bibili ka din ng sabon niya? Ah, pwede ba yung sabon na yan? Nakala ko special yung...
May sabon din ako. Car wash.
Ah, car wash siya. So, may ganito din pala siya lagayan, no? Cute. What about the other one? Why? Oh, aray ko. Layo naman. Hindi na siya eh. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Yeah.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with mine.
Parang may awang pa siya eh. Ayan.
How much are you gonna be out here?
What?
How much are you gonna be out here?
Yeah, until this afternoon.
You're gonna go inside in the nighttime?
No?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do barbecue. What?
Wait, you're gonna do barbecuing in the nighttime?
Yes. You want? Want to join?
If Dexa want to invite me, you want to invite me, Dexa? If you want. No,
Oh.
if you want to. You want to invite me? Yeah. Good.
Shui.
But when you're gonna start the barbecue, that's when I have to sleep.
Baliktad pala yung pagkalagay niya kanina. So, dapat ganito siya. Kasi nakatayo nga pag hindi mo gagamitin.
It's not coming back. It's not coming back.
Ano yun?
Wait, do you look
May
rainbow?
napapagawa din dyan sa kanila.
Come back here. I want to talk to you. Hey, you come.
So, it's a beautiful morning today. Yan, kaso lang maginaw na nga. Busy ang mga tao. It's Sunday.
The big bubble here.
So, ito yung mga kids na magulo.
No, call me the big bubble.
So, ito ang try namin siyang supsupin para matanggal yung tubig. Kasi nga, nagtatry naming try naming ayusin to.
I think that door's open.
This is the hose to our pressure washer from Dexa's pool. That's
So
where we get the water now.
So, ito marami pa nga. Ayan, and then let's see this one. We will show you. Ayan, ito yung host. So, ito yung
You know what,
host.
Mama? You doing this, I feel like it looks like a construction site.
Guys, look, I have a big gun. We just finished
Shoot,
it.
go. Go, shoot.
Okay. Okay, yan lang. O, yan. Ang cute mo, Dexa. Ang cute. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Mom,
No.
we clean. Do you have everything we need to clean?
Yeah. Dexa can do it.
It is a pressure washer.
Oh.
Anything you need to clean?
Don't do that to me, girls.
Okay, Tita Ma.
Okay.
It is a pressure.
Yeah, here lang. Oh, here.
Wag muna kasi.
Ito po, ano nyo din, ilagay nyo yan. Oh.
Tanggal ko kasi nilabay ko.
Oh, di, ilagay mo yung mga iba. Yeah, go, kay try. Itutok mo sa ano, itutok mo siya sa ground. Yan.
Don't do it too hard, you'll kill the grass. 'Cause
Ah,
it is
okay.
pressure.
Okay. So, ayun. Ito siya. O, yan. Yan. So, at least nagagamit namin siya dito. Don't do it. Sige na kasi mainit. Grabe ka, Dixon.
Eksako naman.
When you have a baby who is cleaning.
Who drank this?
That's mine. You can drink now. Okay.
My glass with lots of ice.
Doing barbecue. Okay. This hot dog is from Costco. Okay. Barbecue.
We're okay?
This is my new gaming setup.
What?
Look, Ma, I have children.
Picnic in the
I
backyard.
see a bug. I saw a bug.
Yeah, we will go inside after.
Inside. What?
Simple
Inside.
picnic here.
Where are we gonna go inside? We're gonna go inside there. That's Are you gonna sit in there? Let's sit in there. Let's go there. Okay. Let's bring some food.
Hey, what's that?
Wait.
We're setting up this
Come
one.
on.
Kababaliktad ko yan, Dad. Yeah. All the second, guys.
This is the best.
Hot dogs.
This is the best day ever. Genshin and Genshin.
And the kids are here playing.
Chef there. I feel like I'm in Genshin now.
And then we have hot dogs. Ooh. Come on. Oh, that's from Costco. Ayan. Okay, go. Dinner in the backyard. Sorry. Yeah,
Yan na.
you cannot eat.
Yay!
Who's that? Ada.
It's on. You turned it on. Finally. What happened with the breaker? Why did it sit off? I'm taking a fork. How do I turn it on? Turn it on, right?
Yes.
I just have to look for the app.
Oh.
Careful with that. We have a lot of glass objects
Sorry.
on the table.
Spaghetti. Okay. What do you like? It's sweet? Yummy?
I haven't tasted it. How can
Okay.
you want me to be like Dad? It tasted so good. He hasn't even ate any of it.
Okay.
Just like pink sauce.
Yeah.
It's so slight. Can I eat this much?
Yeah. Go.
Madam, your Roscato Rosso Delgars Video Vizante.
Wine night in the backyard. Well, that's enough. And then put my.
Mommy, you're not much of a drinker, huh?
My Coke.
You're not much of a drinker, mommy?
Yeah, no.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, mas okay siya kapag wala. Yan. We're doing barbecue tonight. Okay, let's
First
I love my soap.
I don't see
Oh, wow. Where did you get this from? Oh, I know which one this is.
barbecue in the backyard.
I'm taking this popcorn and I'm gonna have a Genshin time.
Well, the kids are happy. And they have also some popcorn here. Happy Labor Day! Happy Labor Day, guys! Labor Day, Daddy! Yeah, it's Labor Day, right? That's why it's holiday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So we're celebrating advance. In
Advance. Labor Day. Labor Day fun.
Oh, so that was it. I remember.
Lexi, get me on fire.
You put your hand under, it will not feel anything. Put your hand under, it will not do anything.
Yeah.
It's gooder. Come here.
There.
TikTok time.
Okay, TikTok, TikTok. Oh my goodness. It's okay. What's it, Dexa? Dexa! Oh my goodness, what's the bum bum doing? Oh, Daddy, you see Dexa?
Oh, bam bam diksa. Ling 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 no more.
Nawala.
Audio and start recording us.
After months of wintertime, gazebo is now set up.
So we started putting chairs and furnishings, and now we're putting in the Hello, Father. Very nice arms you got there.
Wait, meron kang miss.
Oh, that's where I was missing one. Oh, oopsies. It's so nice. It's so pretty.
Facing na lang yung test.
Yeah. So that's an update to our gazebo.